Hi there, it's Mike here from Harraway Cars, based down in Weston-super-Mare. Just going to take a moment to walk you around this 2014 Citroen Berlingo automatic wheelchair accessible vehicle that we have available with us at the moment. The vehicle's done 27,000 miles from new, and this particular one was converted by Automotive Group and offers 5 seats, or it will carry 3 seats plus a wheelchair or a mobility scooter. Look on the back there, those 2 little black dots, they're rear parking sensors that have been fitted to it. That's the ramp. I'll just show you how that folds down. Just pull that little lever there. There you go, there's the ramp. Nice shallow ramp on that one. So that's the vehicle at the moment in the 5-seat mode. I'll walk you around this side. I'll show you how you convert the vehicle, nice and easy. So when you want to convert it, so you reach in, press this little button here, seat tips down, reach in, there you go, seats just tip up, and just fold these little bars into the floor. These other 2 little wheels are part of the wheelchair restraint. There's 2 at the front and 2 at the rear. And there you go, the wheelchair will sit up there alongside that 3rd seat. Plenty of room there for your wheelchair or mobility scooter. If, however, you did need that little bit more room, that 3rd seat, we can also put that one forward, tip that up. As you see there now, there's even more room if you needed it. Additionally, those seats there could in fact be removed. They just lift out if you didn't want them in there, and just store them for another day perhaps. I'll show you up the front. Again, it's all nice and clean. So it looks like it's had new tyres recently fitted on the front. It's got front parking sensors fitted on there as well, so it's got both front and rear parking sensors. Show you in the driver's side. So there's all your radio CD, your air conditioning, there's all your electric windows for the front. That little wheel there is the dial for the automatic, and additionally on the gear lever you've got a minus and a plus. That's the minus. The plus is the other side, so you can go up and down the gears with those as well if you wish. Comes with 2 keys, powerful mirrors there. So, vehicle we've just bought back in off the client is one we previously sold. Sadly, they've had to give up driving due to ill health, but they just bought it back. Previously to that, it was a Motability vehicle. We bought it from them, so it has all the full service history. Prior to it being delivered, you'll get a new 12 months MOT, pre-delivery inspection and fresh service, so it will be ready to go. This one additionally is only £30 a year road tax as well, which is rather nice. So there you go. If that's of interest or you've got any questions, then get in touch. You can either give us a call or email us and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching.